Hi, today we're going to talk about how to use tramlines. Tramlines may be used with AB lines or identical curve guidelines. Tramlines display an indication of where the wheels of other farm equipment will travel that should not be seeded. Tramlines are only a visual indicator, they do not control the implement operation. A boundary must be set up prior to setting up the tramlines. There must also be an active AB or identical curve guideline. The tramlines function needs to be enabled and turned on in map layers. From the Run screen, touch on the spanner icon to change to the Setup screen. Under System Features Guidance, touch Tramlines and set to Enabled followed by the green tick. Touch the Running Man to return to the Run screen. Now touch on the Map Layers icon at the top of the screen. Make sure the Tramlines layer is white to display and tick to close. Open the Guidelines menu and touch on the Configure Tramlines icon. Spacing is the distance between the centers of the tramline passes. This is usually the width of the sprayer. In this example, our sprayer has a width of 18 meters. Track width is the distance between the outsides of the wheels of the vehicle that will steer to the tramlines. In this example, our track width is 3 meters and most common. First swath is the swath where the seeding run will start. It is from this point that the edge of the field is calculated and is displayed as the light blue line. By default, this line is shown half an implement width away from the first swath. This distance can be changed by adding an additional offset below. Offset adjusts the edge of the field or blue line. You may want to add an offset if you won't be seeding a full pass on the first run. Auto configuration selects the first swath based on the vehicle's current position and uses a default offset of 0. It sets the edge of the field to half the implement's width from the current active guideline. For a 6 meter implement, this would place the edge 3 meters from the active guideline. The system automatically detects on which side of the implement the field boundary is to determine correct placement of the light blue edge line. In this example, the tramline spacing of 18 meters is a multiple of the current implement width of 6 meters. The first wayline is at the edge of the field, so the configuration should be first swath of 0 and offset of 0. Tick to confirm. Tramlines are shown in purple. An alarm is presented to advise the operator when they are on a tramline pass. The alarm also displays if the vehicle is driving across a tramline. Configuration of tramlines creates a new tramline guidance line with the words tramline added to the current guidance pattern name. Tramlines can be exported via the Inventory Manager for use on other vehicles. Touch on the Inventory Manager icon. These are located under the respective curves or AB lines inventory category. Imported tramlines cannot be reconfigured. And that is how to use tramlines. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.